So what's on this turkey?
Mustard, and then it's injected with the 20 saturates.
And how big is a bird?
13 pounds, I think.
13 pounds?
Yeah.
And how long do we cook it?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
It's probably going to take like 30 minutes for the oil to heat up, but... It's just like, because it's cold, it's coming out like really goopy. I'm kind of curious of like how much it rises when it heats up. Yeah. Cause you can come see it, like it's weird.
Yummy.
Pour all of it in there?
No.
Oh, okay.
Like I said, I didn't know like how. Fire hazard, turn off gas, I love that.
Nice. Oh, was it 5 or 5:30? 5:30. All right, I'll tell Kimberly that.
He put a fire in the back and he's just hanging out with the baby, and I was like, well, I can like a really nice
God, that thing got hot fast.
Yeah, I gotta get the close to 350.
I like the fact that like it has like a little tiny green area and then a big giant white area and a big giant red area.
Yeah.
Like it's like
From good to fucked in like an instant.
yeah. Like very precise.
So I can tell you, this is the trick to frying turkey. When you go to put the turkey in there, turn the flame off. Because if you don't, it overspills and oil falls in the flame and then it goes up. That's what I see on YouTube you see. Just turn the fire off, dunk it, turn it back on. That's all you need to do.
Nice.
It'll save you fucking burning yourself to death. Come on, eat up.
Yeah.
And the mustard sticks on, stays on.
You see?
I see that. The mustard stayed on there.
I know, that sounds so exciting.
See, look, you turn off the gas. Like you immediately turn off the gas.
Timer on it.
Oh, it has a holder that goes through it and everything. Oh, up and fancy.
Muy bueno.
Right?
You're fine. Don't worry about it.
That way.
When I brought it, didn't have it off this whole time. Oh shit. Yeah. Will the pork fit?
So what do you need, like 20 minutes on this? 30?
No, 30.
30 minutes? Oh, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 32.
Alright. So I can go check on my wife.
Yeah, no, you guys know.
My leg was there.
Y'all talking shit about my leaf loaf?
No, they said it's a great idea.
When it's really dusty, it works great. You blow the inside of your Jeep out.
Oh, yeah.
That way.
That's a good idea.
It is.
I think my favorite one I saw was
Just get your air tank and you got one of those. Air tank, get an attachment.
what's the ETA on the turkey?
Nope.
Huh?
Turkey.
ETA for the turkey?
I'm a big boy.
James, how long for the turkey?
A couple minutes.
Couple minutes? Okay.
Honestly, you probably come out now.
Did the temp feel good?
Yeah, it's been a little high, so it was actually probably done.
Let's go.
All right.
Hello, Sheila.
Oh yeah, that's definitely done.
Hey Nathan, where you at?
I'm right here.
Oh, what's that?
We got you, yeah, oh yeah.
He's been like getting me step by step on the whole thing.
It was her poppers last night.
I know, right?
This is just to catch the grease so it doesn't burn anybody.
Certain cars.
Yes.
You have to support the bottom of that, baby.
Huh?
You have to support the bottom of that.
Okay.
Unless you try to fry it for a minute and it's explosion.
Ready?
I'm sure you get a lot of those calls.
Yep.
Got it.
It turns out no matter how much public information you try to put out, stupidity will prevail.
It's in a crock pot. I got this.
For some, that's actually a motivator. Like, oh, I shouldn't do that. Let me do that exact thing.
I always love the people that do it like in their garage and just set the house on fire.
Yeah. Like, let me boil.
Oh my
Let me
gosh.
fry this frozen turkey in my garage. Clothes.
Hey, I need that lighter.
My car.
I don't have a
You had it.
The lawnmower.
Do you have a lighter still over here?
Oh, what's
Where's
that?
the lighter?
What did that sign say that we saw on the ATVs? ATVs. Not recommended, yeah.
I've seen that too. And you
And then you saw all the side by sides going up it.
Well, yeah, because as soon as we went past it, I'm like, well, that actually looks like a good ATV
I'm like, oh,
trip. We get past it, and then I look up on the hill, and they're all taking off up the hill. Yeah.
I was like, wow, we should all take that hill. If
I
they're
seen
saying
that
they
too.
shouldn't go on it.
I said, well, it didn't say don't go, it just said don't go.
So I've seen like the Graves Trail in Virginia, like has like even a better sign than that.
Yeah, he just took it out of the thing too.
So the Graves Trail in Virginia has like a sign on it that says no drinking alcohol and shooting firearms. Like I'm like, and it doesn't say or, right? I'm like, where else in the state is it okay to drink alcohol and like shoot firearms at the same time? Like there's nowhere that's like permitted. I'm like,
I guess except in that one spot. Like,
Yeah.
I can't drink and shoot, but I can do them separately.
One or the other. Just not at the same time.
Yeah, like,
Right.
so does that mean like,
Then go shoot.
like I dump a 30-round mag, I set the gun down, and then I shotgun a brewski? Like,
Yeah.
Green casserole.
what's that?
They're over here.
Alright, cool. Like, it sounds like I have to like kind of multitask in that
I'm gonna take a
situation.
picture of my own green bean casserole on this.
Probably beer.
Oh, never mind.
They were last minute, so.
No, they weren't. We talked about coming for a while.
Mashed potatoes. Is that, what's the name?
I think we have plenty of rice.
Yes, that's, yes.
It's still hot.
No.
Who's that?
you're gonna have so many videos. I usually try to keep the videos to like less than 15 minutes. Like the like for YouTube, the best amount of video time is like 10 minutes and 1 second. Like that's like optimal. But I
I'm
try to.
excited for the video.